In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money on Amazon without actually selling any physical products. Now, you might be wondering if that's possible, but let me assure you it absolutely is, and I'm here to guide you through some fantastic opportunities. Let's dive right into the first way, which is Amazon Associates, also known as affiliate marketing. This is a program where you can earn commissions by promoting other sellers' products. It's quite simple, really. You start by joining the Amazon Associates program, which grants you access to unique affiliate links for various products. Once you have these links, all you need to do is share them with your audience. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This is perfect for bloggers, social media influencers, or any content creators who have an engaged audience. For example, if you run a gardening blog, you could recommend specific tools and link directly to Amazon. Every time a visitor from your blog purchases through your link, you earn a little extra cash. It's a win-win. Next up is Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, which is a fantastic opportunity for writers and authors. With KDP, you have the power to self-publish ebooks and paperbacks on Amazon, reaching millions of readers worldwide. And the best part? You earn royalties for every sale. This is perfect for writers or anyone with a passion or expertise in a particular subject. Let's say you're knowledgeable about woodworking. You can craft an ebook titled something like Beginner's Guide to Woodworking, and every time someone purchases it, you earn royalties. The process is straightforward, allowing you to turn your knowledge into a source of passive income. Now, there are also a variety of other ways to earn money on Amazon. You might consider using Amazon Mechanical Turk, which involves completing small online tasks for pay. This can be a flexible way to make some cash in your spare time. Alternatively, you can provide services as a virtual assistant to Amazon sellers, offering them administrative, technical, or creative assistance. If freelancing is more your style, Amazon Handmade and similar platforms offer the chance to market your skills, whether it be writing, design, or programming. And let's not forget about dropshipping, where you sell products without ever having to handle inventory. A supplier ships products directly to your customers, simplifying the process enormously. So, as you can see, there are numerous alternatives to making money on Amazon beyond selling physical products. Each option offers a unique set of opportunities, tailored to different skills and interests. Whether you enjoy writing, marketing, or freelancing, there's a path here for you. Take the time to explore these avenues and find the one that best fits your talents and lifestyle. Remember, your journey to earning on Amazon without selling physical products starts with taking that first step. Good luck and happy hustling.